Hello friends, in this section we will learn about hormone. What is hormone? How does hormone work? And many more. So keep on watching friends. Let me introduce our group members. 1. Alivia Cahyani as the reader of slide 7. 2. Hafid Ainun Fajri as the reader of slide 5. 3. Imtihani Afiyah Najiyah as the reader of slide 4. 4. Mita Juwita as the reader of slide 6. And last, Wanda Nurfitri Ramadhani as the reader of slide 8. The contents of this presentation are: first, the definition of hormone; second, hormone functions; third, hormone functions process; fourth, hormone work mechanism; fifth, kinds of hormones and their functions.
Definition of hormone. Hormones are chemical carriers that can be released by endocrine process. Hormones released by the body and flowed by the blood to various cell tissues and cause certain effects according to their respective function. The secretion of hormone secretion can be stimulated or inhibited by other hormones, iron levels, or nutrients in blood plasma, nervous activity, and mental condition, as well as change in environmental conditions such as light and air temperature.
Second, hormone functions. In general, hormone functions as signal carriers that can affect cells in other parts of the body. The hormones produced by each participant have a specific functions. Hormones with specific targets to give rise to according to their respective functions. Examples of hormone interaction with cell are growth hormone, which function to stimulate or inhibit growth, and hormone that function to finance the cycle. The influence of the hormone is different from that of nervous. Nervous, usually the changes that occur by hormonal changes take time.
Hormone formation process. Hormone come from chemical produced by endocrine glands or gland glands. This gland is a gland that has no duct so that the secretion will enter the bloodstream and follow the circulation of blood throughout the body. When it reaches a target organ, the hormones will stimulate change. In general, the influence of hormones is different from that of nerves. Hormone control change are usually changes that take a long time.
Hormone work mechanism. Hormone work by binding to specific receptors. The binding of the hormone to these receptors generally triggers an adjustment change in the receptors in such a way as to convey information to other specific elements of the cell. These receptors are located on the surface of the cell or are intracellular. The surface interaction of the hormone receptors signal the formation of a second messenger. This hormone receptor interaction has an effect on the gene expression. The distribution of the hormone receptors exhibits great variability. Receptors for some hormones such as insulin and glucocorticoids are distributed, while the receptors for most hormones have a distribution more limited. The presence of receptors is the first determinant whether the tissue will respond to hormone. However, the molecules or participation in post-receptor events is also important as it determines not only whether the tissue will respond to the hormone but also the specificity of that response. This allows the same hormone to respond differently in different tissues.
5. Kinds of hormones and their function. First, there is melatonin hormones produced in the pineal gland and functions as an antioxidant and control sleep. Second, there is thyroid hormones produced in the thyroid glands. This hormone serves to increase the basal metabolic rate and affect protein synthesis. Third, there is growth hormone produced in the anterior pituitary and its functions to stimulate growth and reproduction. Fourth, there is testosterone hormones produced in the testes and its function as a male sex hormone. This hormone stimulates the maturation of the male sex organs. Fifth, there is insulin hormones produced in the pancreas and its functions for the uptake of glucose, glycogenesis, and glycolysis in the liver and muscles from the blood. 6. There is adrenaline hormones produced in the adrenal medulla. Its functions to increase the supply of oxygen and glucose to the brain and muscles. And that's all about the hormones learning. So thank you friends. If you have any question, please comment below. Bye bye.